Credit building versus credit repair. What's the difference? What's right for you? If you have blemishes from the past, like errors or unfair negative items, credit repair might be what you're looking for. It's all about fixing the past to brighten your financial future. A credit repair service like Lexington Law can help you remove all those pesky negative items from all 3 credit bureaus. If you don't have a long history of credit and you're looking to build from nothing, you might want to look into a credit building service. Credit builders are all about adding new, positive information to your profile. A service like StellarFi can help improve your credit score by finding new ways to build positive credit history, like paying your bills or your subscriptions on time. Whether it's credit repair with Lexington Law or credit building with StellarFi, just know you have lots of options to get that perfect 850 credit score. Choose the path that suits you and take that first step on your credit building journey.